Howdy everyone, welcome to the next Positive Gravity. Starting a new project right now, and it's going to be a big 12-inch platter, roughly 12-inch platter. I've got some walnut, and I'm not sure what this is, something like sapele or something like that, I forget what it's called. Glued two pieces together, and then I cut it and flipped the middle piece so there'll be a stripe down the middle. I've got the faceplate mounted on there, so we can go ahead and get this onto the lathe and start turning. The first step will be rounding up the outside, and then I'll start squaring up the sides before I dish out the middle. So I haven't done a platter like this before, so who knows what will happen. Hopefully it's not too exciting and we end up with a good product. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoy the process.